A fridge tour. Yeah, see the stamps. There's an H. An H. These are excellent stamps. I believe. Yeah, that's an excellent. Okay, so today I'm going to do a fridge tour. Basically, okay, a room tour. I'm going to do a room tour. So right when you walk in, you see my TV and my dressers. And then on this side, you see calendar, whiteboard, and this whiteboard sticker. It was a whiteboard sticker out of Dollar Tree. And it's huge, and I really like it. To do now, to do later. That's what Hollywood 2015. There's Hannah. Say hi, Hannah. Hannah, say hi. Oh, hi, Hannah. My thing. What's it called? My closet. This is Hannah's box. This is actually the box that my refrigerator came in. Refrigerator. And I put stuff in it and 2 toys, and she loves it. And then blah 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 blah. You can see the rest. As you can see, we just went to Winco to get more stuff for my fridge. My dad also has a fridge. So on this side, there's just like stuff, pictures, and on top there's my chips and stuff. And on the front, I have this whiteboard of I like a bunch of magnets and some more stuff. Let's start with the fridge. Why don't I have a tripod out? I want to get my tripod. Tripod. Just 1 second while I get my tripod ready. Is this I think that's high enough. Okay, so let's do this. My fridge. So this is the fridge part. First, I have some Sea Boost mango and pear juice as pears, cherries, and mangoes. Really good. Chicken broth, 2 raspberry jellos, and a milk. That's what's in the bottom portion right here. This shelf right here, I have some roasted garlic hummus, brie cheese, and baking soda, just like a thing of baking soda to keep my fridge fresh. And in the door I don't have anything, but yeah. In the top I have some lime juice, a thing of sourdough bread, some honey Greek yogurt, and some ham for lunch and meat. So now let's move to the freezer. I have to adjust my tripod. Okay, now my freezer. So in my freezer, I have, obviously see my door. I have 1 box of Mexico brand coconut bars and 1 box of Mexican brand lime bars. The lime bars are, on camera they look like more light green, but on here they're a very, very bright green. Okay, in here. Let's just start off what you see in front. I have 3 packets of, they're called cream cheese. Well, they're cream cheese puffs, and they're really good. They're called, I think, right here. They're called the cream cheese wontons, but they're just cream cheese puffs, and they're really good. And they come with sweet and sour sauce. Each one comes with this thing of sweet and sour sauce. So I have 3 of those just right here. And moving on, in this pile of TV dinners, this is orange chicken. Yeah, this is orange sesame chicken. I'm looking on the ground because there's a bunch of boxes. Then I have a traditional lasagna with meat sauce. Then I have Swedish meatballs. This is a lasagna Florentine. Orange chicken again. This one is beefaroni, macaroni and beef. Then, put these in the corner. Okay, sorry, I just gotta organize a little bit. I am kind of an organizer freak. Okay, and then I have a giant lasagna. It is super thick, and I love it. I love this for like really hungry at dinner. I love it. This is a ginormous. This is steak, potatoes, and noodles. Really good also. And the fridge came with a mini ice cube tray. I absolutely love this ice cube tray. And then this is shepherd's pie. It is mashed potatoes, corn, and beef. It's super good. Then I have macaroni and cheese. Then I have lasagna Florentine. And this is an ice scraper. I have to scrape it daily. Not I have to. Dad never scrapes it, but I always scrape it. I don't know if you can see this, but here. One scrape gets all this yummy ice. It's really good. I love eating it. It gets very frosty, and as you can see on top of like everything there are a bunch of this frost. That's from me scraping it, and it just goes in the bottom and it leaves it that way. And as you can see on top of here, there are a bunch of frost. Okay. Last thing is a thing of natural vanilla Breyers ice cream. I love TV dinners. Well, I think you can tell that. But that's my mini fridge in my room. Now I think we'll go to my dad's mini fridge. Yes, we do not have a regular fridge. We just have two mini fridges. One's mine, one's my dad. But my dad doesn't want his room. He puts his in the kitchen. Oh, sorry. This is in the kitchen. He has no magnets on it, which is boring. Okay, we guys like one or two. It says, "The love of family makes life beautiful." In his door, he has eggs, thing of giant gross carrot juice. This is mine, okay? I don't know why he has this. It has my initials on the top, and this is my apricot jam. Then he has a thing of smoked natural cheddar in the butter container. Okay, that is in his door. He has a gallon of water versus osmosis, because as you know, in Scotia, we have very bad water problems. There are lead, and we are not supposed to drink the water. We don't. Then he has, at the bottom, he has a gallon of low-fat milk. I have vitamin D milk. So, and then in his little shelf right here, he has some turkey. He keeps his things of sweet and sour sauce for his crab cheese sauce in his fridge, but I like them in our freezer. He has these crab cheese puffs, or crab cheese wonton things in here. And then he has a thing of mozzarella cheese and pain pills. Okay. And he has a almost used up gallon of low-fat milk. He has a thing of rice pudding, a thing of 2 things of chocolate mousse, a half-empty thing of sour cream, disgusting bread. I hate this bread. It's Dave's Killer Bread, organic. The blue stuff has like gross grains. Oh, and then he has another thing of rice pudding, tortillas, 3 more things of chocolate mousse, triple chocolate mousse. Oh, and 2 more things of rice pudding. So he has 3 things of rice pudding, 5 things of triple chocolate mousse, and everything else I just said, I guess. And now on to his freezer. So obviously the first thing you see is his coconut bars. He does the same thing I do. He has coconut bars, a box of it, and a box of mango bars. We just went to the store and got new stuff. And he has a plate in here for some reason. Then he has a thing of butter pecan ice cream. 2 things of fish sticks. This is orange chicken. His ice cube tray. Broccoli feta cheese. Margarita pizza. And yeah, rice and salmon. Lasagna. Raviolis. And a little, sorry guys, dropping everything. And then a little mini lasagna. Oh, my computer almost fell. Little mini lasagna. Don't put everything in it because it's his fridge. You don't want to mess his fridge up, you know. And he has 2 things of cream cheese wonton. 6 spring rolls. A shepherd's pie, mashed potatoes, corn, and beef. A thing of peas. And this is the steak and noodles and stuff. And on top we have some Fruity Pebbles and some Rice Krispies. See you next time, guys. Bye.